In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2018 Honda Odyssey. First, we will lift up the car, then we will lift up the parking brake. I am using a four-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. If you haven't already, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now, let's jump into the process. Underneath, we'll take out the first 10mm screw. Here, I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm socket. Now in my case, the bracket holding the screw is also spinning while I'm taking out the screw, so what I'll be doing instead, using these pliers, I'll grab it first and then I'll open it from underneath to take it out. There, we ended up taking it out. We'll move ahead and using a door upholstery remover, we'll take out a clip. You see this point right besides the clip that we just took out? Since my car has an accident, so it's not visible, but in your case it should be visible. I was able to see it by removing this plastic cover, but in your case, you should take this screw out as well, which is right there. And there we took it out. This was the first clip we took out, and this is the second clip that also needs to be taken out. Right where you took out this clip, there is a screw behind that also needs to be taken out. Notice the screw has been taken out, but it's just stuck with that plastic piece. There it is, taken out. Take out another clip. And behind that clip is another screw, needs to be taken out. And we will keep on repeating the same process again. Take out the clip. If the clip doesn't come out, just keep on trying from right and left until you're able to take out the clip, like in my case. Then again, take out another screw behind. From the other side, same process, take out the clip first and then take out the screw. Remember, we took out a screw which was a little hidden. From the other side, we also have to take out that screw. It's underneath this plastic cover, I hope you can see it. Right there, this screw also needs to be taken out. You see, problem with Odyssey cars are, sometimes once you're taking their screws out, their plastic pieces are broken and it makes it difficult for anyone to take them out. Here I would have to apply the same approach as I did the first time. Use the pliers to hold on to the clip and then take out the screw. Screw is out, then we will again take out another clip. Now, due to an accident, I'm missing a clip from this side, but we will move ahead and take out that final screw, the problematic screw. And luckily, this time it just came out without creating any problems. With that screw, we are done from the underneath side. Jumping onto the corners, we'll take out one straightforward screw using a Phillips screwdriver. A little on top is another screw that also needs to be taken out. Now we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. The same process we will do on the other side. Take out the first screw. Then take out the screw on top. And then slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Jumping onto the top part, this cover needs to be removed. You can just lift it upwards and it will come out. Same we will do from the other side. Just lift this up and it will come out. Don't get deceived by this. It's nothing. It's just there for some reason and I don't know why. Now we will slightly take out the cover from the top side. Notice behind that plastic cover, there are some clips that needs to be taken out. One clip from one side and the other clip from the other side. Now using a normal straight screwdriver, you'll try to take out the top part of the headlight because it's part of the bumper. Try punching in the screwdriver on the hole above and push the plastic piece against it. The same process applies on the other hole as well. There we pulled out both of them. Just to show you guys, it's actually these tabs that we were pushing and then pull this. So these tabs just needs to be pushed and then pull. Right where you see this angle, there's a clip right there. If you could see, it's coming from the frame side all the way here. Behind that clip is a tab that needs to be pushed out. I hope I can show you guys properly. Right there is the tab that we need to push in order to take the bumper out. Here I'm using a door upholstery remover. I think I was able to do it. Right, there we took it out. So what I did was I actually just pushed this tab, which is this, and that is how I was able to pull this out. And you will have to do the same on the other side. From the other side, first we will take out the plastic cover by pushing the tabs using a screwdriver. Once done, now we will come back to that tab that needs to be pushed in order to take out the bumper. There we took it out. I hope I was able to demonstrate it properly for you guys. Remember, we took out the top part of the bumper. It was actually holding on to a couple small brackets, and those two brackets are also need to be taken out in order to take out the bumper. This one is one of those brackets. Just push the tabs on right and left until you reach to a point where it completely pops out. There we took one out. This is the second one that needs to be taken out. Here I'm using a slightly different tool like this, and we have some space so that I can push the bracket from underneath while taking this out. Second bracket is also out. Underneath the headlight, there is a big bracket that is holding on to the bumper. We need to push the tabs of those brackets in order to take out the bumper. In this part, I will use a plastic trim remover tool because this will not damage the headlight or the bumper. We pushed out two tabs, and the final tab we were just trying to push, and even before pushing it, the whole bumper just fall apart. It turned out that the whole bumper was holding on to those tabs. Since this bumper has fog lights, so we need to take out the plugs for them. This is one plug. And we have to take out the plug from the other side as well. Once the plugs for the fog lights were taken out, we were trying to take out the bumper completely, but notice there's one more plug that also needs to be taken out. Maybe this plug is for the sensors, but the main plug is attached towards the frame of the car, and the plug needs to be taken out from there. Plug is out. We have taken down the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used during this takeout.